while rivers whisper truths as they flow down.